What's going on, everybody? So back again, and today we're at Huntington Beach State Park again. And we're gonna go looking for some birds. So let's go see what we can find, see what we can see. I know there's owls in the area. I know there's a northern harrier, eagles, ospreys, many different ducks, egrets, blue herons, and so much more. So let's go see what all we can find. Hopefully we'll run into some woodpeckers as well. So let's go. Oh, we're starting out at the little Sandpiper Lake. Alright, so I'm over here at the Sandpiper Lake Trail here in Huntington. A couple jets just flew over, some fighter jets. Seen some blue heron. Beautiful. Walking over here to the little spot right here. I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes and see what we can see. But it's a beautiful day. The weather's amazing. It's not too cold. It's not hot. It feels like fall or spring, honestly. And it's January 17th. So tomorrow is going to be even nicer in the 70s, which is crazy. But yeah, I don't know. We'll sit here for a minute. It's kind of covered. But I actually might end up walking still, finding another spot. So let's go. This is called the octopus tree. It's beautiful. I'm trying to be quiet because I want to see some wildlife. Hopefully see some deer, anything, raccoons. But this is the octopus tree here at Huntington. Hurricane force winds pushed the tree on its side. The tree survived because enough roots remained in the ground. Over time, the octopus tree adapted. Its limbs begin to grow upwards. And so all these things that you see here are the tree's limbs. That tree fell over, and these limbs have freaking grown like crazy. Like, it even goes all the way here. That's it right there. Isn't that crazy? amazing how this tree grew from it being blown down by the hurricane a long time ago. And these are the limbs from it. That's amazing. It's just mind-blowing. Nature always finds a way to adapt. No matter what we do to it, it always figures out a way. This isn't the same tree, but I believe the same thing happened on this one as well. I hear a woodpecker. Not a single bird. Weird. Normally there's birds all over it at any time of day. So normally I see birds out here on this lake or pond or whatever it is, but I ain't seeing none right now. There's definitely birds in the trees, but there's none on the water. So we're gonna keep on going. See what we can see.
What are you? Don't
So there's a northern mockingbird, yellow-rumped warbler, and robins. So I seen that downy woodpecker earlier, but I'm gonna see if I can get some video of this guy right quick. It's the northern mockingbird. So I am gonna sit here by this little bit of water right here and see what we can see. So tadpoles or something swimming in the water. Okay, so I sat there for a little bit. There's a bunch of yellow rump warblers. I heard a cardinal, northern cardinal. And I also heard and seen some cedar or waxwings fly over. But other than that, everything's been staying up higher in the trees, so I haven't really gotten anything good from here. So I'm gonna keep on. This looks like a good spot with that tree limb, especially later in the day. The sun's shining on this part, so something to keep in mind. There's the other side. The sun's lit over here, so let's hang out and see. A bunch of yellow rump warblers still. Some more cedar waxwings, Carolina red, and the cardinals. So we want to see more stuff, obviously, and there is plenty more. Just gotta hang out. All right, so I got some video of a downy woodpecker and some yellow warblers, yellow rump warblers, and a cedar waxwing. I didn't get a photo of the cedar waxwing today, but I do have some photos that I've taken just the other day. I'm gonna show you now. But I heard a Virginia rail, gray catbird. Pretty sure I just got some video of the gray catbird. But yeah, it's been a great day. It's beautiful. The weather is amazing for it to be January. And the birds are singing. You hear them? But this is what I I love to do. I love being out in nature. I love listening to the birds, hearing their songs, their sounds. I love being able to photograph them and document them. So thank you guys for coming along with me to do this. If this is something you like, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And let me know what I could do differently so I can make these videos better for everybody. So let's continue on our journey. Yellow rock warbler right there. And there's some, looks like some egrets. So as we continue on our journey, just walking past the Sandpiper Lake on the Sandpiper Trail. And a little view of the water here. There's a duck out there, I'm not sure what kind. But looks like there's a few more birds out here, which is awesome. There's plenty of birds in the woods, obviously. It's just been an amazing day. So thank y'all for joining me. Let's keep on. And yes, alligators do live here. But it is wintertime, so they're more dormant, kind of. They don't go into a full hibernation, but they do go, I guess, kind of dormant, so. Make sure you watch out for the alligators if you're down here, especially summertime, because they are a good many, so. I'm gonna hop over to the Marshside here shortly, and maybe get a chance to see that northern harrier. Are the eagles. I'm hoping to see a hawk maybe. I know that there's owls in here too, but it might be the wrong time of day. But I'm using the Canon R6 with the 100 to 500 handheld, shooting the video and the photos. So hopefully you enjoy. Let's keep on. Carolina Red singing. So pretty. You're pretty, you're pretty, you're pretty. There's a little low area here. It's got a lot of activity in it. So we're gonna come down here and sit. See what we can see. So there's a downy literally less than 5 yards from me. Let me get some better video. Alright, so you hear all the birds. It's beautiful. Carolina Wrens, hermit thrashes, blue jays, cardinals, tufted titmouses, yellow rump warbler, cedar waxwings. The wrens are going ham right now. But I haven't seen them all. I hear them. but I haven't seen them. And the squirrel just started alarming. I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit because there's a lot of action, a lot of noise, a lot of singing. So, it's just beautiful. These guys are funny. What you hear and see when you're out in the woods, it's amazing. So go outside and see what's around. And you look at all these mushrooms. So the helicopters fly by all the time as well. So awesome day. Awesome day. Hold on. Alright, so I just spotted a red-bellied woodpecker. I heard him calling, and so I was able to find him. And red bellies actually have red heads and black and white backs on their feathers. But they're really beautiful. So I'm gonna try and get some photos, but if not, I'm gonna definitely get some video. So we're out here on the main road now. Walking down, but you can see the woods. There's tons of trees behind us. There's birds everywhere still. Really hear the cedar waxwings. They only hang out down here for like a month or so. They love eating all the little berries out of like the evergreen trees. Cedar waxwings, hence their name. But they like the little blue berries. They're just beautiful, beautiful birds. So, get a few more videos. We're about to call it a day because my battery's getting low. I didn't fully charge it. Because I just didn't. But let's go see a few more things. The marsh is coming up right over here, so maybe we'll get to see the harrier. Hopefully. Let's go. Okay, so I just spotted some deer. They're out here right on the other side of where my lens is pointing, like right there. There they go. So let's go. So these deer are beautiful. I love deer. So here's the little marsh area where the northern harrier hangs out at. So it's always hit or miss. And it's about putting in the time. Today I went around everywhere else, so my battery's about dead, so I'm not gonna have the time to be able to put in here. But this is what we call the boneyard. It's on both sides. It's where whenever it flooded, all the salt came in and I guess killed all the trees. That's what it looks like. So we'll definitely come back out and see if we can get some shots of that northern harrier. I know I got some shots of the eagles yesterday. But there's a lot of things that I didn't photograph today because I was more trying to get video and stuff. But I did take some photos, and I'm going to share those with you now. But then I'm also going to share some of the other photos that I've taken here recently here as well, since this is my first photography, wildlife photography, bird photography video. So I'll post some more of my photos I've taken over the past few weeks in here since I got the new lens, which I love, by the way. So thank y'all very much for watching. Thank y'all for hanging out here with me today, and I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did, because it's beautiful. So until next time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, maybe share it with somebody. But love y'all, appreciate y'all, have a great day. Smile.